Welcome to the product review Ikea 10 pieces cardboard town template set. I'm going to use a scissor to cut the plastic that wraps the package, but you can use a box cutter. It might be more practical. Remember to place the plastic for recycling and out of the reach of children and pets. The cards come off easily. In the cardboard, there are the instructions to fit the pieces together. Each pack contains 5 large cardboards with designs to color in. I'm going to color with 3 different materials, all from Ikea too. This is a set of 24 different colored pencils made of solid lime. The pencils' leads are very strong, and this product is recommended for kids from 4 years old. This is a set of 12 crayons made of wax. It is suitable for kids above 4 years old. They are perfect for younger children because they are easy to hold. This is a set of 24 felt tip pens in all colors of the rainbow. These pens are easy to handle and suitable for kids above 3 years old. All these products have the EC mark, which certifies that they comply with EU safety, health and environmental protection requirements. Let's try first the materials before starting to color in the cardboard. The cardboard is pleasant to color on. The felt tip pen glides well over it. I found the pigments of the coloring pencils not too much saturated on this cardboard. On the other hand, the crayons adhere well to the cardboard. Here I'm using the felt tip again. Now I'm going to assemble the structure, which is very simple and easy to do. You have to crease well these parts. The structure looks like this after assembled. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more.